One feature in the HubSpot prospecting workspace that I absolutely love is the schedule view, where I can go in as a rep at the beginning of my day, see what meetings I have, see what tasks I have, see who's associated to what meetings, so I can make sure that I'm prepared and all that stuff all in one screen. Now, there's another thing that's super duper helpful that I'm not sure if everyone has noticed. If I go through a whole meeting day and then at the end of the day, I come back and I want to prepare for the next one, something that's very helpful is I can actually update meeting outcomes inside of this scheduling view. So if you're a salesperson, there's a decent chance you're like me and you've forgotten to do things like this in the past. Having the ability to edit things inside of the CRM from this view is super helpful. So for instance, I can see here, I forgot to update this meeting outcome. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. That's going to reflect in the CRM on that meeting activity. It's going to make me be able to just zip through the things I need to do. It's going to keep our CRM up to date.